Okay, now I'm going to go over the API page. So first thing we're going to do, come up here, close out that side of the window. All right. You got API settings. So you got your VCU balance for today. You got your VCU balance estimation for tomorrow. USD balance. So maybe you're paying using USD, not VCU. When you run out of VCU, yep, you can switch over to paying with USD. And right now you can see I have API tier disabled, and you can also have API tier paid. There's different API tiers. And then you got over here API usage. So you would have usage each day that you're using it, and actually will spell out how much USD versus VCU usage you have. You can select 7, 30, and 90 days up here of data to track. If you need to buy US dollar API usage, you would come here to the credits. If you're looking at pricing, you would come over here. That will give you both the VCU and USD pricing. So you see the kind of comparison between the two. If you need to get info on the VVV token, you would go to this page, and I covered that in a different video, what the VVV token page looks like. Okay, and down here, this is the most important part of this video. So API keys. In API keys, you must actually click generate. Okay, description. What is this? What's a description? Description is literally some name that you give it. So, I mean, we can call it cat, we can call it a test key, doesn't matter. It's just the description. Then we got here. This one is much more important. We got admin and we got inference only. If you don't know the difference between admin and inference only, you're probably going to want to use inference only by default. Just use admin if for some reason you're having problems. Admin key is for getting different bits of information that you don't necessarily need in every case. So I would tend towards the less permissive inference only. Then down here you got expires. So you can actually set this to expire. If you leave it as nothing, like this, it won't expire. But if you click the calendar, you can pick some day and you can decide when it expires. You click generate to generate one. Boom, look, you got an API key right here. Well, this API key is not going to work because I'm going to show you how to delete it in a second. Basically, you would click this copy button, copy it into the application that you're using it in. There's various videos that I've posted previously about what you could potentially use this in, and there will be many more videos in the future about what else you could use it in. We're going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to come down here. Key thing to point out, it will say active, or in this case, unused. So if we had actually used this key to do something, it will say how much dollars or VCU was spent using it, and we start to get some stats like that. Since we're not going to use this, and this is just for a demonstration, cool. Over here, we're going to demonstrate how to delete it. Click this button. You're going to get a message that says, are you sure you want to delete it? That's what I'm doing. And API key deleted. That's all for now, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.